Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share a group link in Telegram. Sharing a group link makes it easy for friends, colleagues, or followers to join your group directly. We will guide you step by step on how to generate and share the link quickly. Now, let's get started. For example, if you have a group in Telegram and you want to share it with friends so they can join, all you need to do is click on the Telegram group. Once you click the group, just click the name at the top of the screen. This opens the group settings. A window will appear on the left side of the chat, and here you can see the link. All you have to do is click the link, and it will be copied automatically. Now we can send it to everyone. Take a moment to check if it's correct by opening the link. As you can see, anyone can now open it on the web and view it in Telegram so they can join. That's it. We have successfully learned how to share a Telegram group link. Now others can join your group easily and stay connected.